In interviews, many times I have asked people what is JIT and what is AOT in Angular. Did they answer correctly? What is the right answer? Let's find out. Most of the people simply answered the first point they found in Stack Overflow.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Oh my god! Wow! What do JIT mean? What is AOT? JIT is just in time compiler and AOT is ahead of time compiler. Mind blown, right? So in interviews, people will go ahead and say that okay, JIT is when we compile, it is compiled in the browser, and AOT is compiled in the while compilation everything is done, and JIT everything is done on the browser. So the question here which I ask is, right, your Angular is written in TypeScript. What is done differently in JIT? If it is compiled, when you say compiled, the TypeScript is converted into JavaScript, and in JIT also same thing is done, because you can see that bundle.js is created. What is the difference? An interviewer would say that yeah, I mean both are compiled into JavaScript because Chrome needs JavaScript to run. It cannot run with TypeScript. What is done differently is we send compiler with the code in browser. Okay, great. Compiler is sent to browser, and then what? I mean, what do you use that compiler for? You have already compiled into JavaScript. Actually, that things are compiled into JavaScript and sent, but there is another part to Angular where you need to do change detection. Let's consider a simple example of string interpolation. As you can see in our screen right now, written a simple HTML component with string interpolation done. We are calling a method to get information, and we have get text here. If we run the build directly locally, if you just run npm start, alright, so our code got compiled. There is no problem. What if I change my t here? I remove t and I save all the file.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
As you can see, quickly enough we got a property saying that getText does not exist in app component. That is because Angular 12 comes with AOT enabled. And then let's go back and change the Angular JSON file so that our local code can run without AOT. So as you can see, there is build option, then there are options, and there are configurations. There is a production configuration and a development configuration. In development, that means when we are running npm start. Let's go there and set AOT equals to false. If whenever you have changed JSON, Angular JSON, you have to run again. Wow! Compiled successfully. Even though I have made an error here in HTML to write tx without t, we have txt get text here, and here I have already made a mistake. Still it compiled, and you can see the error coming up here. Crazy. That's what is JIT and difference between JIT and AOT. Now if I convert back to AOT in this case, let's see what happens. As usual, we got our error again on the screen. This is a difference. Compiler is sent to browser so that Angular things can be compiled. It is converted to JavaScript, but the Angular compiler is also sent as a JavaScript there, and then things are compiled for the Angular, like you have done string interpolation or you have done some kind of template binding, that is compiled in the browser. Wow, that is cool. Coming back to reality, right? I too have faced this problem a lot. Earlier in Angular, you had JIT enabled by default in when you're running locally, and then you had your Angular code run as AOT when you're giving it to production. that reduce the bundle size. When you're doing an AOT, it reduces the bundle size because you're not sending compiler. But yeah, if you had made some mistake, it will fail during build time when you're running in production mode. If consider for some reason you think that I will run in JIT in production, the things will fail while you are executing it. And you know what? I have spent much time debugging things because while we are running locally, everything passed. And when I did npm build and some things failed, and I didn't understand why. So, as a default, you should try to turn on AOT for your local development also, and it is by default turned on in Angular 12.
If you liked the video, please press that like button and subscribe. I want to see you again tomorrow because I'll be posting every day, and these likes and subscribes help me a lot to create more content. See you tomorrow. Bye.